Hi, this is Catherine. Today I want to talk about a step in the process of career maintenance that is a process that I highly recommend that people do to really have a flourishing career. And career maintenance is a process of stepping up out of your career every 6 months to do four things. First is to pause and get a deeper understanding about yourself. Second, to consolidate what it is that you know about the environment that surrounds your career. Thirdly, is to make decisions. And then finally, to take action on those decisions. So every 6 months, pause and do career maintenance. So today, what I want to talk about is an idea that will help with the third of those steps, that of making decisions. Now, none of us really get taught how to make good decisions. And really, it's been a process of making decisions, making more decisions, maybe occasionally reflecting on the success of those decisions, and then just like messing our way through decision making. One thing that can particularly enhance the quality of your decisions, and especially the quality of your career decisions, is to start a career decision journal. So journaling anything will actually enhance the deeper level of knowledge that you've got. So in journaling your decisions, you will actually become a better decision maker. And one of the key ways that you'll become a better decision maker is that the process of writing, this is the decision I've made, these were the factors that were involved in that decision, this is what I expect to the outcome of that decision to be, these are the emotions that I had around that decision. Just journaling that and then coming back, and I recommend every 6 months, coming back and looking at the outcome of those decisions means that you can cut through biases that come into your reflection on decisions. You get to be kinder to yourself because you know what it is that you knew when you made that decision. Also, you can start to see where you might have some overconfidence in your decision making, and where there might be small things that you're doing in the context of making decisions that have oversized either positive or negative impact. Additionally, what you'll get to do is that in making decisions, you'll get to see what the impact of other people are on the decisions that you make. And for most of us, other people's ideas about the decisions that we make, especially when it comes to career, often have a much bigger impact than what we think that they do. So I recommend doing this 6 monthly, coming back every 6 months along with your career maintenance, and doing a review on the decisions that you've made. You really will get to see the little things. Additionally, what you will see are the successes that you've had. And unfortunately, we have a bias where we see our failures, the decisions that we made that didn't go according to plan. We see those with greater granularness, and they stick more in our minds than all the decisions that we've made that had higher levels of success. Now, reflecting on those successes, we actually learn more from our successes than what we do from our failures. So this reflection on the decisions that you made that were successful will actually accelerate you making more decisions like that. So, as always, wishing you a flourishing career. Have fun with your career decision journal. Bye for now.